Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the environment where the SRT Trail.txt is accessible. Boot to safe mode or the Windows recovery environment and open an elevated command prompt. Once done, navigate to see /Windows /System32 /Logfiles /SRT and view SRT Trail.txt. You want to confirm timestamps and error codes. That tells you whether the issue is a driver, disk, or boot file problem. Make sure to note exact error strings, because those are used in the next repair steps. You now run targeted repairs based on what SRT Trail.txt suggested. Start with chkdsk/f/r to repair file system errors. This can clear many startup failures. Once chkdsk finishes, run sfc with the offline switches. sfc/scanner/offbootdir equals c //offwindir equals c /Windows to replace corrupted system files. If SFC reports issues it cannot fix, run dism against the offline image to restore component store health. After each command completes, reboot into WinRe and recheck the log file for changes. You finish by restoring boot configuration and pruning recent changes. Try automatic repair from WinRe, and if that fails, use bcdboot c /Windows to rebuild boot files. If errors persist, uninstall recent drivers or updates using Device Manager or dism package removal. You can do this offline. As a fallback, perform a system restore or recover from a complete image backup to avoid data loss. If you still see SRT Trail.txt repeating, note the exact new error and consider checking hardware like
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.